Hello, everybody, and welcome to the August Hoop Studio unboxing. I am so excited that you're here. I am Jen from Kimberbell, and today I have a great project that I'm going to show you. This project is both beautiful and practical, and it's one of those things that you're going to just love to bring into your home, to beautify it, as well as just make it feel like a little garden. This is the tissue box cover. You have been asking for this, a tissue box cover. And so we have a hummingbird design with wildflowers on the other side, as well as a hand sanitizer cover. So let's talk about the tissue box cover really quickly. Let me show you what the actual image on the tissue box looked like. Look at this. Look at the wings on the hummingbird and how they sparkle. And I'm going to show you what you're going to get in your kit so that those wings sparkle. And I love the design of the hummingbird flying and getting its nectar from the flowers, from these wildflowers. On the other side is just wildflowers. And so no matter which way you turn your tissue box, you have a beautiful design to look at. I love that. We have different textures on here. We have some, we've got some felt here and some felt on the bird and felt on the leaves. The wings, the reason that they're so sparkly is because you're going to get some mylar in your kit and it just makes that shine. So those are some fun things that you're going to help to make your tissue box just pop. And the colors are just beautiful. All right. We also have a hand sanitizer holder that comes with, you have a little lobster clasp so that you can hook it onto a purse. You can put it on any tote bag or a school bag. This is perfect for gifting. I love this because it's fully lined. Look at this. You've got this fully lined hand sanitizer that just pops that hand sanitizer in and out. And it's about a 3-ounce bottle that fits in there that you can just get at your local pharmacy or Walmart or Target, wherever you like to shop. So you'll get everything in the kit to make those things. Now the tissue box, it fits a 4.5 by 5 tissue box. So this is what the tissue box size looks like. And then it will just slide, your cover will just slide right over that. You can display it anywhere you want. So these are the projects. Let's take a look at what you're going to get in your kit. Set those aside for a minute. You get 4 pieces of shape form because the shape form helps give the tissue box some structure. And that will be for each side of your tissue box. You get this nice size piece of batting, Kimberbell batting, that helps when, because the tissue box is quilted. And so this really helps the quilting to pop. You get, look at all of these, 5 pieces of felt to help with the texture of the design. We've got 2 different colors of green for the leaves. We have this kind of really light blue grayish for the hummingbird body, this pink for the flowers, and this blue color here for the hummingbird as well, for those wings. All right, you get 3 great size pieces of fabric. So this first one is the lining. I didn't show you this before, but your tissue box is going to be fully lined. You can see that inside there. So that's lined. This is the lining fabric. I love this kind of delicate scalloped look on the fabric. Look at this one. Okay, I'm excited to show you this one. Let's see if I can get it focused just right. And then up close. The pattern on this one is the outside of your tissue box. And they have like little dandelion seeds floating, and they're blue and pink and yellow. And it's just a really fun pattern on this fabric that makes it fun for the tissue box because it's such an outdoor scene. And then for your hand sanitizer, we have this fun coral geometric shape that will be used for the outside of the hand sanitizer. So those are your fabrics. Now, remember, I showed you those wings, right? So you're going to get 2 pieces of mylar to help those wings really sparkle and look like a hummingbird wing flying in the all around the flowers. And then you get the hardware for the hand sanitizer holder as well. So you get a little piece of ribbon to help hold that lobster clasp there. Let's dump these all out and get a good look at what's coming. All right. So you get a nice piece of ribbon. That's going to be the little loop there to hold the lobster clasp, right? And that clasp is going to hook onto your bags. You get a button so that you have an elastic here that's going to help hold that closed. So this is your hardware for the hand sanitizer cover. So that's everything that you're getting in your kit. It's great. Everything comes with it. To make the tissue box and the hand sanitizer, you don't have to go looking for any supplies. And the great thing is the hand sanitizer is great for gifting. This is one of those things that doesn't take a lot of fabric. And so I know you're a quilter. You have a stash of fabric at your house. Just think about how many of these you can make and give away for gifts to teachers, to friends, to coworkers. It's going to be a perfect thing for you and a perfect gift to give away. And then this tissue box is just so beautiful. I love hummingbirds. Hummingbirds remind us of those we love that have passed on. And they're just so gorgeous and beautiful and so fun to watch out in nature. So hopefully you've seen a real hummingbird in your life. But these are the projects for August. Now we have a giveaway. So I want to show you those things that you'll get for the giveaway. Let me just move these out of the way. Okay, for the giveaway this month, we have some shapeform interfacing so that you can make another tissue box if you'd like. We also have this green felt that we use in the tissue box. And don't you love these? These are little zipper charms, a little sewing machine, a little hoop here with the design, and a pair of scissors. So this is the giveaway this month. What I need you to do in order to enter for this giveaway is to tell me, where are you going to display your hummingbird tissue box cover? Where in your house? Or are you going to give it away? Let me know in the comments and we'll announce the winner on Friday. So thank you for joining me. I hope you go enjoy some well-deserved me time and enjoy being creative. Thank you.